Today we are making a classic comfort food, spaghetti with meat sauce. It's easy to make and packed with flavor. Start by adding oil to a pan over medium-low heat. Add the minced garlic and give it a quick fry. Now add the chopped onions and cook for a few minutes. Next, add 1 tablespoon of butter and stir it in. Once the onion turns light golden and translucent, add the ground meat. Stir and cook until you notice the meat starting to release water. Keep frying until the water evaporates. Break the meat into smaller pieces and cook until it's golden and caramelized for the best flavor. Now add salt, sugar, chili flakes, Italian seasoning, and tomato sauce. Mix everything well. Add a bit of water and let it simmer on low heat. Adjust the heat as needed. I added some fennel seeds for a sweet aroma. They also give the sauce a nice flavor. Let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes, adding more water if needed. While the sauce cooks, let's make spaghetti. Bring the water to a boil, add salt and dry spaghetti, and cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. I checked after 10 minutes and it was perfect for me. I also added a little olive oil to the cooked spaghetti to keep them from sticking. After 10 minutes, the sauce is ready too. Now for the best part. Plate everything and enjoy. I topped it with Parmesan cheese for extra flavor. Let us know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you for watching and see you next time.